This program allows you to add as many as number of semesters you like, enter the name of the semesters, the name of the classes you've taken, assign a grade for each class, and then assign a number of credit hours that is associated with each of your classes. Before we start, I would like to mention that the compatibility status of the program is listed over here at the very top of the page. The program itself is compatible with all browsers, but as far as printing the results of the page and the print function, that compatibility status is always listed over here, so I will encourage you to pay attention to which browsers are supported. Simply click on Start Program to begin the application and enter the name of the semester. So instead of semester 1, I'm going to change this to spring 2012, and I am going to select a grade over here. Let's say I'm going to select A for class 1 and assign 3 credit hours to it. I'm going to click on the calculate button, and as you can see, it will calculate your semester GPA as 4.0 and your total GPA as 4.0 as well. Now, as soon as you go and add the second class and assign a different grade to it, it will redo your GPA. So let's pick another one and assign an F, but only 1 credit hours for that class, and your GPA is updated once again. Now you can actually put in names for each of your classes. So class 1 could be English 101, class 2 could be Intro to Business, and third class could be Accounting 221. So this is helpful if you would like to actually print the page later and have it for your records. Then you can actually enter in the name of the classes and then the grade you have received for each class. Then next thing you can do is click on Add Semester, and you can do this as many times as you like, add as many number of semesters as you wish. And you also have the option to click on Delete Semester. So this would simply remove the semesters that you have created. So instead of semester 2, I'm going to name this Summer 2012. And let's say during summer you have only taken English 102 and you received a B in that class. And you come and click on Calculate again. As you can see, your semester GPA is 3.0 and your cumulative GPA is still 3 because that's what you also had in a previous semester. Now if you come back over here and change this to an A, you'll see that your semester GPA is updated to 4.0, but your total GPA is changed to 3.3. Let's go ahead and add a couple of more semesters. For 2012, English 225. Click on Calculate. So your semester GPA is 2. You didn't get good grades here, unfortunately, and then your cumulative GPA is 2.68. Spring 2013. on Calculate GPA. So one thing that you realize is that each semester, when you complete the fields for that semester, and you click on the Calculate GPA, the GPA for that semester is calculated, and your total GPA is calculated. But when you go back and look at the record, you see that the cumulative GPA is frozen for each semester. This is done so that students can go back and look at their total GPA and how their total GPA or cumulative GPA was affected as they took additional classes. Now, if you have made a mistake, you can always go back and reassign grades. So over here, let's say you realize that you got a D in Introduction to Programming, you can go and change that, and again, click on Calculate, and your GPA and your cumulative GPA would be automatically recalculated. Now, if you come back over here and you realize, well, you didn't take any classes during summer 2012 and that was a mistake, then you can simply click on Delete Semester. That would remove that semester altogether, but you'll have to go back over here and click on Calculate GPA so that your cumulative GPA would be updated. So you can add up to 10 years worth of semesters, because I don't believe you can go over 10 years. And again, when it comes to printing the page, always make sure that you look at the print preview of the page to make sure everything is showing up correctly, and check the printer status to make sure which browsers are supporting printing this application.